Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today we've got another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this product, Silvercrest Compact Bluetooth Stereo. Great sound quality from a compact stereo, 4-in-1 radio, CD player, music streaming and USB MP3 player. We can see some pictures, the remote control. We have 2 to 15 watt RMS, USB 2 PLL digital tuning, Bluetooth and 3 years warranty from Lidl. Approximately we have some diameters of the product, some pictures in here, and let's open to see what we have inside. Nice packets. And here's the stereo. Let's see the accessories we have into the box. It's nice. Included we have 3 batteries, the antenna, an AUX cable, the power cord. Well, you've got a manual here. Of course, if you want to read it, it's your choice, and the remote control. Nice. Let's plug it to see how it works. Okay, here we are. Now to plug it in, you need to plug it from here, and then we've got an on-off switch down there. I'll just push it and install. Now for setting up the clock into the remote control, here you can press and hold the clock, and there we are. And then with these arrows you can set up your time, and again the clock, and set up the minutes. And that was all about setting up the clock. Now we need to connect here our antenna and the AUX here. In for the headphone jack 3.5 and the USB flash drive here. And here we can connect our CD. Okay, now let's turn it on. It says disk, but it's not reading any disk. Well, here from this button you can push it and take out the disk. Light, increase, decrease, 4 modes. EQ, classic, rock, jazz, flat, pop, and again classic. Forward, pause, play, forward. USB, AUX, changing the mode, FM, Bluetooth, no Bluetooth, and again the disk. Mode, that it will help you when you hear something. And we have the program, again arrow up and arrow down, and the volume. Now from the remote control, of course, we've got more settings and it will help you more to do that. Now I need to go to my Bluetooth. I push it from the remote control, and we've got here the pairing. That means I need to take my smartphone, go to the Bluetooth settings, and there I'm going to find out this device as is searching, and we can see this is the SBMS 30A1. Yeah, we can hear the music. Yep, it's nice. Connecting for audio, it says, to my phone. And let's put some music to hear how it sounds. It's very loud. Maximum volume is 30. Very nice now sound. Now, from my remote control we can see here I've got the bass 2, bass 1, bass 0. That's nice. And again, from the remote control, we've got varieties of settings. So you can see sleep timer, intro, repeat, A/B, surf, AUX, stereo, and mode pair, and dimmer, tuner, Bluetooth, USB, and CD. As I said, it will help you to use your stereo device. Next song. Nice and loud music. Of course, the same thing is as you connecting the flash drive, the AUX, and your CD. And from here you can hear output to your headphones, the music. Let's see next song. Well guys, that was all about the Silvercrest stereo. What do you think? Please leave down below to the comments your opinion. For me, it's a great stereo device. It costs only 88 euros. It can do everything. It has a Bluetooth, a flash drive connection, an AUX, and CD to hear your lovely music. And of course, headphones out. The sound quality is great. The device, it has a nice design. I like it. And if you need something like that to your place, well, why not just buy it? It's worth the money. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, it's your choice, and share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.